everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative with our brand new card making kit. It is this one here. It's our April kit and it's called Tapestry of Time. I'll take you through the kit first and then we'll take a look at the cards. So in the kit you get this page, which is an actual size image of all the cards, so you can make those. You get this month we've got our rectangle card envelopes. We will be mixing it up between rectangle and square in the future. We've got our Tapestry of Time creative cuts, our little cut apart sheet, our Tapestry of Time collection pack, our 6x6, some beautiful mint rhinestones, and some white organza ribbon. That's all the pieces. These are the beautiful cards that you can make. Great cards just to have in your stash. This one here I thought could be quite masculine if you didn't put the bow on it. Changed it up a little bit. Some just pretty cards. Great to have some thank yous and thinking of you as well. And last of all, just have a wonderful birthday. So this card kit will be available on the 5th of April and you can pick it up at your local craft store or of course on our website uniquelycreative.com.au. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.